I'll make you my priority, cause you're one of the minorities.
All right, YouTube, what is up? What is good, you guys? It's the Boul and Nate. We got the car view. I'm inside the Civic, boy. Inside the Civic. Let's put the joint on drive. Let's go. But yeah, it's Monday. It's what, November 28th, 29th, 28th, something like that. But yeah, so actually I had a good, had a good morning. Actually, I got up early and actually got up because I do have a tendency to, stay in bed for a little bit longer than I should, and yeah, we got, more tired, and yeah, but I'm actually on my way to the office. Thing is, like, working from home is definitely good, obviously, because don't have to commute really at all, so definitely agree on that. But for me, I definitely take pride in, well, not really take pride, but I like to switch things up. I like to, but like, I'm in the house, then I'm not in the house, then I'm in the house, then I'm out of the house, then I'm in the house, then I'm out of the house, then I'm back in the house. You need your environment to change, because if you stay in the same environment consistently, like, you're just gonna be stuck. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me make sure I don't get this school bus. Well, look at God. But okay, but yeah, so but yeah, you gotta switch it up. So I'm kind of make that more like a kind of like a goal for me. It's kind of like to switch up my environments at home. Maybe go to the office one day, maybe go to like a coffee shop another day, maybe like a friend's place another day. Just to switch up the environment. Same time to get the work done. So that's what I'm doing right now. When I get there, I'm probably gonna try to get y'all like a nice little kind of a tour. Because there's kind of like a couple of like office spaces, then there's like, it's kind of like a room for more, I guess, like cleared work. So but yeah, it's a cool environment. The only L is that there's not really like many assigned seats, so it's kind of, you got just find like open desks and just work like that. But besides that, it's cool. Coffee machines, and get some free drinks and everything, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm on, like I said, I'm on the way there now, so I'm gonna catch y'all then. All right, YouTube, at this part, the weather changed so quickly, like literally, like when I first drove out, it was sunny and everything. Now it's cloudy, like how it was when I first woke up this morning. But I don't think it's supposed to rain. I think it's just gonna be cloudy. But yeah, I just got in now. So once I get inside the building, I'm gonna show y'all kind of like how things are, how things look. It's probably the beard looking nice, skin glowing, skin shining. Ooh, drink your water, people. Drink your water. Don't check me, check your freaking water bottle level. Shout out to Larry June. Good job. I say this is kind of what the office look like. Here's the door. So this is like the in-class area. Yeah, there's coffee machine, water machine, drink for the free ski. Same kitchen area, fridge. We got free all supplies. Oh, here, yeah, gotta be quiet though. Kind of quiet here, but I'm gonna get some coffee though. Coffee. I'm gonna be, got coffee mugs right here too. Right there. Look at the short. And go back the car. And we good. But yeah, so this is kind of like how my setup is. well, it's somebody else's desk, but that's got like a monitor. You can your work laptop, and then we got a couple like we got 2 monitors, got whiteboard, got smaller work rooms there. What's up back there, but whiteboard. But yeah, it's a cool little work area. It's kind of different, but I'll be actually getting to some actual work. So I'll see y'all. All right, beautiful people. It's 2 o'clock. Last night it was like 3 o'clock actually. Pulling up, put my car on. Yes, sir. But yeah, it's like 3 o'clock. I'm done the work. I forgot to film because one, I like a couple meetings I get to, and then I was doing like some other like coding stuff. So it was kind of a busy day, but yeah, I was good. But I'm about to head back home, and I got y'all. I mean, too. I got to hurry up because it's getting a little cloudy out. You know, so I'm trying to get home before rain because people in Maryland, they can barely drive when it's sunny outside. So shoot, when it rains, boy, crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna get on, so I'm gonna catch y'all. All right, beautiful people, I am back in the crib. Obviously, got my bed, got the other workstation. I ain't gonna hold you, I'm kind of tired, man. I guess me just looking at the computer screen for like hours is just tiring, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna trip a little bit. And I should just see how the rest of the day goes. I actually got the co-packages to, actually, well, one is, I got 2K23 for my PS5, because, you know, it's kind of funny because I actually just downloaded, it'll be the show, which I haven't played in years. I love it. So I got 2K23, I get to play the long story mode with all the cutscenes and everything, so that'd be kind of cute. So, yeah, man, you know, life's good. The beard's growing, the face is starting to glow, hair growing on top still. I need to figure out how to get these damn bumps to shower damn face. That's the next thing. But with regards to all of that, yeah, we just living, man. We just trying to survive, bro. So yeah, let's stay tuned for whoever next in this video. I don't know where this video is going, but let's stay tuned.